with the feet shoulder width apart, we begin by shaking the body, allowing the movement to be loose and inviting anything that we're carrying with us, any tensions or energies, to begin to release from the body. You can shake with little gentle vibrations, little rhythmic movements, or if you're coming from some kind of a charged conversation or even an argument, you might want to shake out more vigorously. Maybe let things out on a sigh or breath as well. Ha, ha. And letting the vibrations propagate to loosen whatever needs loosening from the body. And letting the vibrations get smaller until you find yourself in stillness, noticing the sensations that you feel. We're going to loosen through all the joints of the body with constant bear. So wrapping the arms around the front and the back, gently awakening the energy in the front and the back of our dantian, our energy center in the belly. And at the same time, loosening and opening all the joints. Let yourself be guided by comfort, seeking movements that are nourishing and relaxing for you. Listening to the breath, which will guide you in finding what is easeful, what is relaxing. And then letting this movement release from the body, finding once more stillness, noticing how you feel. And inhaling the arms in front of you, palms facing the sky. Exhale, curling one finger at a time towards the heart, turning the palms away from you, uncurling the fingers. Palms move forward to the sides. Exhaling, palms turn up, the hands come together, fingers curl in. Inhaling, fingers uncurl, palms move to the front and to the sides, parting the clouds. Letting the energy gather into your heart and sending fresh, renewed energy out into the world, bringing in what nourishes you back to the heart. Let there be a sense of ease and softness through the arms and the wrists. Recalling this is a great movement for releasing any tensions in the forearms and the wrists, bringing health and fresh and clear energy to this part of the body. The next time arms come out, we're going to release them down, stepping the feet together, Crisscrossing your hands. Inhaling, letting the palms rise to the sky. Exhale, turning the whole body to one side. Inhaling to the center. Exhaling to the other side. Your body, the long body of a snake, in this first part of snake breaks out of its egg. The snake begins to be curious about the space of the egg around it. Pressing gently with the feet into the earth, palms towards the sky. Next time you're at the center, exhaling, moving the palms forward. Inhaling, palms come up, facing the body but not touching the body. Exhaling forward. Inhaling, coming up the body 3 times. Snake feeling the space of the shell in front and sensing its own body as well. We'll change direction here, so exhaling, palms towards the body, coming down the body, and then inhaling, moving forward and up. And 3 repetitions as well. Choosing the depth to which you bend forward, staying more upright, or coming all the way to the earth or anywhere in between. With the next exhalation, we're going to make circles to the sides, palms facing away from the body the whole time. Sensing the whole length of your spine and the whole length of your body. After 3 circles, coming the other way, exploring the space to the right and left of the body. As the snake prepares to break out of its shell. Next time you find yourself up, waiting for the next exhalation, releasing the hands, and then breathing naturally, allowing the arms to descend down, imagining or visualizing the eggshell breaking around you and your body of a newborn snake emerging for the first time in the world. Stepping the feet shoulder width apart again, resting in neutral posture, Wuji posture, feeling what's present in your body, in the space around you. And bringing the palms to the kidneys, we're going to tap down the backs and sides of the legs, coming up the insides of the legs, the front body, down one inner arm, up the outer arm, across the collarbone to the other arm. Over the face, over the head, along the sides of the spine, down the neck, and back down to the kidneys. 2 more circuits like this. And closing the practice with self-massage to distribute the energy that's been cultivated, to make sure nothing is stuck anywhere and everything is flowing clearly and with fresh, healthy energy. So we're going to do 3 circuits here. Continuing to be guided by good sensations, by comfort, and what feels nourishing for you right now. Next time you're at the kidneys, we're going to do 3 more circuits, this time stroking the body. The palms move over the surface of the body, smoothing the flow of the energy. With the tapping, we access the deepest layer of our energy, our bones. With the smoothing, we are working with the middle layers of the body, the muscles, the connective tissue, clearing any more blockages that might remain so the energy can flow like a clear mountain brook. And when you arrive at the kidneys for the 3rd time, taking the hands off the body, 3 more circuits with the palms hovering over the surface of the body. So not touching. Working with the outermost layer of our energy. The outermost skin and the energy field that's around us. You might even feel some connection or warmth between the palms of your hands and the parts of the body that you are hovering over. If you wish, you might visualize a shimmering golden coat that you are painting over yourself with this practice. And arriving at the kidneys for the 3rd time, replacing the palms on the kidneys. Listening to the energy. Listening to the breath. When you're ready, taking the palms one over the other to the front of the belly. And settling and storing the energy cultivated in your practice, in your energy center.